Keeping apps up to date is a big part of keeping your phone running smoothly and without errors. Every now and again, updates are put out, be it that there was a problem when they put it out on the market and they're going to fix it, or it's new features. Features, I hear you say? I want new features. Sit back and we will show you how to keep your apps up to date. So starting from your home screen, if you don't know how to get to your home screen, it's the big button on the bottom of your Android phone, and we want to go to your home screen and then go to the Play Store. You should be on the main page of the Play Store, but if not, just press the back button. Now let's press on the hamburger icon at the top of the screen up into your top left hand corner, and from here you want to go to My Apps and Games. From here, you'll see all the apps that need updating with update next to them. Now you can do them manually, or you can click on the update all button. And then once the list is cleared, all your apps are up to date and you can use those new features.